Hi, I'm Susan Euler, Senior Project Manager in charge of the League City Parkway Intersection Improvement Project. The purpose of this project is to improve traffic mobility on League City Parkway and prepare for the future growth of traffic in the corridor due to the development of the west side of the city. This will be accomplished by signalizing the all-way stop-controlled intersections at Landing Blvd, Magnolia Meadow Lane, and Bay Area Blvd, and adding dedicated right turn lanes on some approaches. Construction began in June with the initial focus being the driveway improvements at Gilmore Elementary. This will improve the overall traffic efficiency at the intersection at Magnolia Meadow Lane. The contractor will begin proposed roadway improvements next week. All three intersections will be under construction simultaneously, although staggered by approximately 1 month. Work will begin at Magnolia Meadow Lane, followed by Landing Blvd, and then Bay Area Blvd. Construction at each intersection is anticipated to last 60 days. In order to minimize disruption to traffic, 2 lanes will remain open in both directions during construction. Due to production delays and material shortages, traffic signal parts have a protracted lead time, taking approximately 6 months from order to delivery. It is currently anticipated that the signal poles will be installed in February and the traffic signals will be activated in June.